you, first of all. If you are not able to understand yourself, how can you understand others? The very first thing in improving any kind of relationship is understanding of your own self. If both the members, if both the parties, both the partners can understand their own self and then able to connect to the divine understanding with each other, make a divine understanding with each other, the divine relationship is the one which continues forever. Restore relations which are based on the physical connection or the mental connection or even the emotional things go away with the time. So if any kind of relation has to be there for long, it has to be a spiritual connection. So if both the parties are understanding to each other, is the best thing to connect to the Supreme Lord. Through the Supreme Lord, connect with each other, and that relation will be long lasting. So first is connection to your own self. Connect your own self very clearly. Make a deeper connection of your heart with the Supreme, and the other party should do the same thing. Connect her or his heart to the Supreme. When both are connected, that is the easiest way of doing it. If you are not connected, the other way is that you should do the prayer of the Ho'oponopono prayer. Prayer is between two hearts. So when from one heart to another heart, you have to say only 4 lines repeatedly. With emotion, you have to say, "I am sorry, please forgive me, I love you, and thank you." So these 4 lines include the Ho'oponopono prayer. Very simple, very gentle, very simple prayer, but it creates a big, deeper connection with your heart and the heart of the other person. And when the inner ties are stronger, definitely the relation will be better.